Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Before we get this video started, I would first like to thank you truly for all the support you have given me throughout the launch of the Apex Detail product line in cooperation with Art to Shine. That was a huge success, exceeded my expectations. So it's time to kick off the training wheels, so to speak, and design and formulate and come out with these products on my own right here. Well, not in the shop here, but in the vicinity. So with that said, I am launching today the BC line. That is the blue collar line. That is an extremely effective yet very affordable product line. Simple, to the point, for those of us, including me, still in the trenches every day, doing this detail thing that we all love. So without further ado, I'm excited to have these products available for you. Just like the boutique line, the metal oxide line, I had them in mind for use here, but made them available for those who want them out there, for all of you. That will continue with the BC or the blue collar line. So let's get this video started and give you a taste of what is to come. BC3 is my quick detailer / maintenance spray. Can also be used on its own. We're looking at an average of 3 months protection. BC2 is a spray version of a 1-year coating, similar to Geon Can Coat. BC1 is my 1-layer 5-year ceramic coating. So let me showcase and review the BC3 for you first. Application is pleasant, quick, and easy. Grab 2 microfiber towels, get them damp, run them under a tap and wring them out thoroughly, or you can mist it with a 32-ounce spray bottle with water. Shake up the 16-ounce bottle of BC3, 16 ounces for $18.95. Shake it up for at least 30 seconds. Get that thick, rich formula all ready to go. We'll mist it into our damp microfiber towel and spread it out onto a panel, working from the top of the vehicle down. You could do half the roof, you can do half of a hood or half the trunk, and then wipe it off. Get it spread out. You can flip over your towel and wipe it off from there, or switch over to the second damp towel and buff it to perfection from there. The nozzles will atomize the product as it's sprayed out onto the towel, or you can also, if you're in a nice, cool, protected area, spray it onto the panel. It will atomize it so it doesn't stream out like normal nozzles, because a little bit does go a long way. You'll know if you're using too much of it. It takes a lot to get it to streak, to get it to haze. So you're really going to have to pour it on thick to get it to do so. Let me give you a first-person view of the application. You can see right afterwards the gloss is kicking in, the slickness is kicking in. It will only increase for the next 14 days. After application, keep it out of free-flowing water or rainfall for 24 hours, and you're good to go. Here is that first-person view showing you just how easy it is to apply. That was by spraying it directly into the towel. You can also spray it onto the panel if you're out of direct sunlight and in a nice cool area. There should be no streaking or hazing, as you see here, if applied properly. Can be used on all hard surfaces on the exterior of your car, truck, motorcycle, boat, or RV. Plastic trim, chrome, polished aluminum, headlights, taillights, wheels, calipers, Glass, if you want to. I normally use a designated glass coating, but you can use this on glass. Black piano finish, tail lights, any trim at the back of the car as well. We applied it to all hard surfaces on the exterior of this Q7 here. Whites, champagnes, silvers, and grays like this. It takes a little bit extra effort and a special product to make them pop, and it has certainly delivered for us here. Over to the test panel, and as I mentioned, it can be used as a standalone. If you're going to do that, you can see the shape that this test hood is in, very dirty, sits out back for long periods of time. So you need to wash, clay, do your full decon, iron remover, a polish, even if you have to do it by hand with just a cleaner polish, is recommended. You'll get the most out of it that way. Let me mask off an area and we'll get to application. You'll see it on this dark color here. I can demonstrate application with no streaking or hazing. There we have it. If you're satisfied with one layer, just let it sit 24 hours without getting wet or rained on or free flowing water. You can layer the product. You can apply as often as you would like into the microfiber or onto a nice cool panel out of direct sunlight. We'll let it sit in the shop here and cure. It'll be a day or two until I get back to it anyway. And when I do, you'll see the gloss and the slickness increasing, and that will happen day by day for the next 14 days. I really wanted the gloss to be high on this product, and we could put a check in that box. I'll drag the panel outside. You could take a look at the water behavior. This was meant to bead. It has some nice beading to it. And I'm not going to go crazy with the chemical resistance and durability tests. I thought I would save that. If you want me to put it up against one of your favorites, just let me know down in the comment section. I will squeeze in a 10 wash test with a strip wash combined with the built Hamburg Auto foam, which is a bit alkaline, and you'll be able to see it's fighting off the shampoo itself rather well compared to the area right next to it that is unprotected. And we'll do a 10 wash test real quick here.
Okay, so this was a bit of a teaser. There will be a lot more footage on this. What we're going to do is also set this panel out back in direct sunlight. There are quite a few trucks that pass by, so it will get dirty as well, and we'll wash it often, and we'll check durability as time goes by.
Okay, so again, that is BC3. That is the detail spray, the maintenance spray. You can use it on its own if you want to. Just prepare the surface properly and you'll get the most out of it. If you have any problems with any of the products, I'm available. You can email me, you can leave comments on the bottom of the videos, you can join our Facebook group, which you all are welcome, and I really recommend anyways, just for the overall support, not for the product that I'm introducing today, but overall support during your journey in detailing, whether that is something you're doing as an enthusiast in the driveway or maybe starting your own career. We're there to help. Share your work. We love to see your work as well. This has been Brian from Apex Detail. I'll catch you in the next video.